me for Kush, outer space, Voltron. Pronounceable means like bone mines. The ladies like my eyes and my jawlines. I cannot complain, got them acting like they all mine.
Hey you, it's Kaiti you, and I said don't move. Start over.
And I oh my god.
Today we have a very special, talented, brilliant, show-stopping, amazing, never the same, totally unique, never been done before, eat on it, shit on it, vomit on it, something guest. I bought the Sony a6400. I think that's how you say it. I'm not a tech channel, so do not roast me. Regardless of whether I do YouTube or not, I was planning to upgrade anyway because I am pursuing media as a major and a potential career. So I did need a very portable, a very malleable camera to pursue all of my cinematic projects and things like that. Comment down below what we should name her because she deserves a name. I'm gonna be putting this camera to the test. I'm gonna be throwing her into the wild to see if she lives up to the word on the street, what the legends say about her, what those Amazon reviews whisper about her. Does she truly live up to her name as the most legendary vlogging camera on the market? You'll find out here first. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. First, they provided me with a fan. That was ugly. She's upside down. Oh no. She's so tiny. Let's compare. The iPhone is literally bigger. Oh my. Right now I'm feeling this sort of detachment. I can't believe that this is mine. I like saved up the money to buy this. Like this is mine, not anybody else's. Like, whoa. Wait, I forgot that there's more. I have to like unbox the rest. Okay. A little viewfinder piece. I think it's gonna interfere with like the viewfinder when it's like vlogging, so I don't think I'm gonna use this, but the charger, because that's very, very necessary. Overall, there's not many ingredients to this box, and I love that because it's not confusing. I pretty much know every purpose of everything that is in this box. Let's screw it onto this tripod to see if it has that issue that I have with the Canon where it just creaks and like bends under the weight.
There's a tooth.
Yes. Good job, monster. He ate the sign. Good calf workout, ladies.
She's so stable. It doesn't move. Whereas with this one, it like literally moves like this. I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go. I said I'll never let go.
Stop staring. We're in love.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Keep cup sequence. Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm. You're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse. Don't forget to RSVP.
The next time you see my face, it will be on this dope ass camera transition in 3, 2, 1. I missed the lens. 3, 2, 1. Hi sisters! Hi sisters! She shall be missed.
I can't believe you cheated on me with Sony. Of all people you chose Sony. Get away from me, you hoe.
You are so light. Like you have lost weight. What have they been feeding you over at Sony? Because this girl needs it.
She's just jealous that I'm thicker than she is.
I'm kidding.
Is she really though?
My camera needs to tell me her diet and workout plan because I can just jump on the bed like this and not have to worry about you falling on my face and breaking my nose anymore.
What is she doing?
Stop it. Get some help.
First test. I'm going to see how this camera autocorrects its colors. My bathroom has super yellow lighting, and with that baby over there always has to be a ton of color correcting in post, and even then it kind of looks really bad. So let's see if this one is any better. Maybe it's just my bathroom, that's the problem. Those lights do be very, very yellow. Wait, it has the color corrected. Oh my gosh, it's not yellow. Check, it's passed the test. Okay, now we're gonna shut all the blinds and we're gonna have a dance party together, and we're gonna see how fast Sony can adjust to low light settings and adjust to flashing lights, you know? Because I'm always gonna be filming at the club. The party don't start till I walk in. Shoot, hey. I think it's passed the test of low light. All of my blinds are shut. I don't even think it looks that dark on camera, but it's really dark in my room. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Do we like her? We do like you. You invited to the club. You are one of us now.
Leave while you can.
So con number 1 is get used to seeing all of my sweat and pimples and pores, because I'm pretty sure with 4K footage you literally can see all that actually 6 feet away so that you don't see my pores.
Coronavirus!
Second thing is that when the Sony camera first comes in the mail, they come attached with these key rings. Also, the autofocus is like not as fast as I hoped. Like, it keeps focusing on my face. You're in love with me. Stop focusing on my face. Focus on these. Please. Oh my god, perfect, you focus. These 2 key rings come attached on either side of the Sony camera, and they rattle a lot.
That's the things for the strap. Sony, why not just have like a fixed thing that looks like that? Why would you have the microphone's gonna pick that? All right, so
make sure that you remove them because they will ruin your audio, trust me. And the last con is that this camera is not touchscreen.
why would you not put a touchscreen on this? Literally, to get this to focus, you have to like tap, 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 tap. Why not just touch the screen like on so many of your competitors' devices and on every cell phone ever made? Like, why would you not?
Period 2.
Those are all my cons. There's not that many. I love this camera. I'm so excited for the new creative and physical abilities that this has unlocked because it's so portable. There's so many more options. The colors are amazing. I know that this was definitely more of an unusual video. Please stay tuned for a lot more high quality content. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future talented, brilliant, amazing content.
Period 2.
Bye! Peace.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Whoa. Beep beep bop beep bop. Uh-huh. Watch this. Bow bow bow. Ooh, sing it, bitch.